Find the center radius form of the equation of the circle described. Graph the circle, give the domain and the range. In this case, we have the center at 0, 0. And when the center is at 0, 0, then we want to use the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared. In this case, the radius is 3. And so we get 3 squared, which gives us 9. The equation for our circle is x squared plus y squared equals 9. And we can graph that. We know the center is at the origin. The radius is 3, so I want to go 3 units to the right. That gives me an x value of 3, and plot a point there. Start at the center, go 3 units to the left. That takes me to -3. Plot a point there. Start at the center, go 3 units up. Takes me to 3 on the y-axis. And then start at the center and go 3 units down. And here I have 4 points on the circle, and from there I just want to do my best. It's not a very good circle. To draw my circle. Do your best to draw your circle using those points to guide you. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, and then give the domain and the range. So domain, here we go. Domain is talking about the x values for every point on this circle. And for a domain, you want to read the graph from the left to the right. And you want to start with the leftmost point, which is right here where x is equal to -3. So my domain starts at -3. These are the x values, and the domain continues. I have points all the way to the right until I reach this rightmost point where the x value is 3. So my domain goes from -3 to 3. I could also write that in interval notation as -3 to 3 using brackets, since there is a point here at -3 and there is a point here at 3. And then to find the range is talking about y values. And to find the range, you want to read the graph from the bottom to the top. So reading my graph from the bottom to the top, I see my lowest point here is where y is equal to -3. That's where my range begins. And then I have points going up either to the right or to the left until I reach this topmost point on the circle that has a y value of 3. My range goes from -3 to 3 also. And so on a paper test, you could enter your domain and range either way, using symbols or interval notation. On my math lab, they want you to use interval notation. Interval notation, remember, is always smallest number first, largest number second. Okay.